Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today's subject is computer lesson number 4. Fun with Windows. Children, we all learned in our previous classes about input devices, output devices and storage devices, like about hardware. Now we'll go to let us learn about softwares. Okay, in every system it has some software. System software. It runs the computer. Okay, children. Yes. So Windows is a system software. So the popular Windows software is Windows 7. So the Windows operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. So who developed the Windows operating system? Yes, Microsoft Corporation. It is the most popular operating system and user friendly also. Why we call Windows is a user friendly? Why means it has some special features. By clicking on that we can do our work easily. So, beside being a very useful operating system, yes, we can change wallpaper, screensaver, or we can use gadgets also. So, just before going to the work inside the Windows, just we will how to do in the starting things. Okay, so we need to change our wallpaper, monitor screen, or any screensaver. First we will learn about that. Now changing your desktop wallpaper. So the first step to do. Children, you all know to change? No. So once again I will teach you how to change the background of desktop. Okay children. Background is rather than screensaver is different. Okay, don't confuse it. So first when you on the system, you all know to switch on the computer, right? Yes, when you on, the first screen is visible to us, right? That is called desktop. On that, just now mouse work, okay? Right click, always we use left button of a mouse, right? Yes. Now, right click on that. Yes, after right click, a menu will open. In that, go to personalizes option. Then the screen will open in the picture. Just look at the picture. Yes, like that screen will opens up. Then select which theme do you want to give the background. Yes, then select that one. Then apply. Click on apply. The Windows desktop screen wallpaper will change when you on that one. Okay, if you want to change that one also, you can do the same method. So first right click, then go to personalizes, then select the theme which do you want, or you can select in the system which has sample pictures, or else you can choose pictures from your gallery also, from your photos also. Now screensaver, changing your screensaver. First we'll learn what is screensaver. Yes, when you leave your computer without working on it, when you leave for 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 5 minutes, you are not using the system. That time some image or text appear on the screen. It moves in the screen desktop automatically. Yes, this is a software program called screensaver. Yes, when we are not using that time, some image or text moving around the screen. That program is called screensaver. For that, same as it is, click on the desktop, right click the mouse on the desktop. Okay, then the screen will appear on it. Some menu. In that menu, go to personalizes, the last option. Yes, then go to screensaver. Just look at the picture. Bottom of the screen, fourth option, that is the screensaver. Go to that one and select if you want to add the text or your name or school name or any subject name or your parents name, anything you want to move on the screen, just type there or select an image, select or picture. Yes, then click on apply. Then the screensaver will save in your system. Next, changing mouse pointer. Children, we know mouse pointer is in triangle, right? Yes, it is in triangle shape. We can change the mouse pointer also. For that, the steps to change the mouse pointer, just observe what I am telling. Observe. If you have system in your home, just check how I teach, how I taught now. Just check that one, okay? You will learn in your home easily. Now, first right click on the desktop, means right click the mouse. Desktop will opens up. Go to personalize only. We'll get some option there, right? Refresh, short by. In that last option, personalizes. Then the screen will opens. Go to changing mouse pointer. Select changing mouse pointer. The sub menu will opens. Then it shows the picture. How is the picture is there? Yes, like that the screen will opens up. Then select which kind of mouse type do you want. Okay children, just if you want to more options, just scroll the wheel next to that marks. Yes, when you scroll that one, we will get more marks on more symbols or more types of mouse pointers. Okay children. Yes. Now next we will go to fun with gadgets. Gadgets means where it is located. The gadgets are, yes, same. Right click on the mouse on the desktop. The same menu will opens. Yes, in that above the personalizers we have one option, that is gadgets. Gadgets consist calendar, clock, picture puzzles or small programs, extra games, small puzzles is there. It shows the weather, it shows the timings, it shows CPU how it's working, it shows everything. So when you click on gadgets, see the look at the second picture children. Yes, the screen will opens like that. Yes, it consists calendar. Just observe children, gadgets have program like calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, feed headlines, media center, picture puzzles, slideshow, stocks, a weather. Yes, these are when we click on this program or appear in desktop, side of the desktop only. So whenever we want to know about those things, we can open and check it, or else it will show the time on the screen only. We can calculate easily. We have calendar in it. Excuse me children. We can know about our weather also. Today's weather, tomorrow's weather we can know. But we need to connect the internet for a weather or media, for currency, for everything. Okay children. Yes. Next, Windows accessories. Children, first we go to the start option, right? Whatever we want to do, we go to start option. When we click on the start option, it shows some options, right? Yes, in that, first go to accessories. Yes, in accessories, folders useful programs are there like paint, calculator, sticky notes, snipping tools. These are all very useful to us, even the games also, right? It's all located in Windows accessories, in Windows accessory option. So first we will know about calculator. Yes, in our mobile we have calculator, but in PC where is there? Where it is? Yes, it is in Windows accessory. First, for the calculator, go to the start option, then go to accessories, then click calculators. Start, all programs, accessories and calculator. This is the steps to open the calculator. Then whatever you want to calculate in the calculator, you can use it. Then press close button for the of the program of the calculator. Okay children. Yes, now next Windows accessory options. Sticky notes means we can stick notes also, means not pasting on the computer children. Yes, we can save our things what to do, or next we can list in our computer also, as we are list in our mobile. Like that we can save in our computer also in sticky notes. For the sticky notes, how we want to open that one? Yes, the steps we will follow now. First, click on the start, then go to all programs, then accessories, then select option sticky notes. Yes, when we open sticky notes, look at the second picture children. Yes, the screen will appear like this. Whatever we want, excuse me, whatever we want to do, we can store in our computer. A sticky note will be passed on your desktop only. You can write inside the note, you can drag the sticky notes where you want to locate on the desktop. Yes, we can move it easily. Snipping tools. So snipping tool means it is a capture on area or like a screenshot. Wherever you, which thing you want or which screen do you want, we can take a screenshot. In computer, how to take screenshot? We use snipping tool for the instead of screenshot. Okay children. So instead of screenshot, what we using? Snipping tool. Yes. To open this program, as it is same, go to start, then all programs, then the menu will appear. In that select accessories, in that select sub menu snipping tool. Yes, now it shows some options like free from snip, rectangular snip, window snip or full screen snip. Which option do you want? Select that one, then select which area do you want to snip, then drag the mouse and snip it, then save the file. Save in the save as. In which name do you want? You can save it easily. Which screen do you want? You can snip that one, then save it as a picture. Okay children. Next, playing games in Windows. Yes, even we can play games in Windows, but it consists some simple games, but it has some interesting games also and simple also. So for that, go to start, then click on all programs, then select the games. Yes, it shows some listed games. Which game do you want? You can select that one and play it. So it has some free cell, chess teams, hearts, purple plays like this. It has yes, it has different games is there. So you can do which game do you like. You can select that one and you can play in the computer only. So the next option, next. So we all know to how use gadgets and Windows accessories, some calculator, snipping tools, sticky notes, right? Yes. Next, how to save a file, or what is file or folder? Working with files and folders. Children, can you see the picture on the screen? Yes. These are all the icons of some files. These are all icons. We can just identify the file name by through these images, right? Yes. First one, what is that? It is looking small, but it is a PowerPoint file, then that is a clock, then calendar, calculator, camera. By seeing the picture, we can identify the file name easily, right? Yes, files are all data stored in as a file in a computer, right children? Yes, all data and informations stored in a computer as a file. There are many different types of files such as text files, such as documents, sound files, videos, pictures, like extra, right? Yes, these are all icons of file. These are all file icons. Then folders. Yes, now we are saving some music, means we will keep everything in a separate folder. Files can be organized by storing them in a folder. Yes, it stores the files in organized manner. Next, creating a folder on your desktop. So, we know to save the files, right? But how to save in a desktop? How to save a folder or file on a desktop? For that, first click on the right button. Click on the right button anywhere on your desktop. Yes, a desktop menu will appear. In that, go to new, N-E-W, new. Yes, in that some sub menu will appear. Then select folders. Yes, then rename it, name it and save it. Yes, now folder are created. Whatever we want, we can give the name for that folder. Folder is created. Icon appear with highlighted text in the name box. Below the folder, it shows the name also. Type a name for your folder. First, we need to type a name for a folder. Yes, then we can save any files in this folder. Next, creating a new file in folder. Children, already we created folder on the desktop, right? Yes. Now, double click on that folder, then go inside when the screen will open. Yes. Now, we need to create some files inside the folder. So, for that, first right click on the page anyway. Yes. Again the desktop menu will appear. In that, go to new. Go to new. In this option, a sub menu will appear. In that, select text document or any image or Microsoft Word or Excel, which type of file you want to save, just click on that. Then the folder will open. Then type whatever you want to do in that document or that file, then save it. It will save inside the folder only. Okay children. Next, renaming a file. Already we saved the file. Okay. Just for example, I saved the file as science. But I done some work in that maths work. So I need to rename the file. So for that, the steps to renaming a file. First select which file do you want to rename. Select that one. Then right click. Yes, when you click on right button, some menu will opens up. Yes, menu will opens up. In that, select the rename option. Children, look at the picture. Yes, that arrow marked, that is rename. Yes, when we select rename, it shows the cursor in it. Just erase the previous name or backspace, press backspace or delete that one. Then rename it as a maths. Whatever we want to give the name, we can change the name by renaming it. We can rename for a folder or a file or whatever we want, we can rename it easily by first we need to select that one. Then the menu will appear. In that, select rename. Then delete the previous name and type again which name do you want to give that file or folder. So this is the today's lesson, children. Yes, fun with Windows. We can play games, we can have more gadgets to know the information quickly, right? We have calculator in it. We can create folders. We can store the files in a good manner in the computer, right? Yes, even we can rename also. So, we will take a quick recap of today's lesson, children. Windows is a user-friendly operating system. Why? It has everything in it, right? By clicking on the icon, we can use the programs easily. Yes, we can change the wallpaper and screensaver of the desktop. Yes, when we change wallpaper and screensaver, we feel fresh. We happy to do the work in the computer, right? Yes. Microsoft provides various gadgets such as clock, calendar, weather, CPU, meter, like that it gives lot of programs, lot of gadgets. We can create folder and files on the desktop also. So this is today's lesson. If you have textbook, read the textbook once at your home. If you are not have, just read the PPT only, children. What I gave you the video, I will give you. Okay, just read that one. Just understand. If you have the computer in your home, just practice in your home. Okay, children. Yes, we will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.